everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today we're going to show you how to make Persian basmati rice. And this is always what I do. I soaked about 3 cups of basmati rice in salt water for about half an hour. Then I have a pot here. I put about 6 glasses of purified water. Bring it to boil, and then after I bring it to boil, I add the rice to it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, or boil for about 5 minutes. Water is boiling, and now I'm going to add the 3 cups of basmati rice that's soaked in water for half an hour to the boiling water. And I let them boil together for 5 minutes. When you see the rice is boiling, you see the foam is coming on top. Make sure you're going to actually remove it and put it in another plate and throw it away. 5 minutes is past. I'm going to remove the pot and pass this rice that's boiled for 5 minutes through a strainer. And the next step is going to be setting the diced, actually sliced potatoes. I have 2 sliced small potatoes here. I'm going to add it, and we're going to have Tahdig سیب زمینی, which is the potato crunchy Tahdig. I am going to add a little bit of oil, about 2 teaspoons of olive oil, to the bottom of the pan. Actually, this is a pot, it's not a pan. To the bottom of the pot, then I'm going to set the sliced potatoes and let them fry gently. Then I'm going to add the rice on top of it, and then I'm going to add melted butter and saffron to the rice. And I let it steam for about 20 minutes. Potatoes are frying in the pot for about 2-3 minutes, and I turn them over. I let both sides fry a little bit because we want it to be crunchy. And now I'm going to add the rice to the pot. And I bring everything in the center, make a little bit of a mountain in the center. And now I'm going to add about 2 or 3 teaspoons of melted butter to the rice. You need oil for the rice, otherwise your rice is going to be very sticky. I added the butter, and I have some saffron here. I added boiling water to the saffron. I'm going to add it on top of the rice because besides the oil, you need some moisture because this rice needs to actually steam for 20 minutes. Here is the last step. I have a clean cotton cloth. I'm going to put the lid inside it, make a knot, another one, and this allows the rice to steam very well. Before I add the dam koni, I'm going to put a few holes in the rice because you want all the steam from the bottom comes to the top and the rice cooks completely the same. Here we go. We have to wait for 20 minutes now. Perfect. 20 minutes is past and our rice is ready. And this is how we're going to plate it. First thing we do, we're going to take some of the top of the rice And I saved some saffron here, which is to garnish the rice after we put it on a big tray. And see how fluffy and beautiful this rice is. So you need a flat spatula and just spread it. The way the Persian rice is going to be, it has to dance in the plate. That means when you take it and you shake it, it's completely separate. And if you look at each grain of rice, because we soaked it and we perfectly cooked it in the traditional way, it is long and beautiful. And here we go. This is our beautiful crunchy Tahdig with butter, and this is our beautiful Persian basmati rice with saffron. And practically for every person you need 1 cup of rice. Here we go, our basmati rice is ready. This is a beautiful Persian basmati rice. I cooked it in a traditional way. And because it's traditional, I added butter to it, but you can add any kind of oil you like, maybe olive oil. And I put it on my grandmother's beautiful terme that I'm very happy that's gifted to me, and our little Persian samovar. I hope you like it. Please share, like, subscribe. I love you all. Bon appetit, Nushe Jan. Till next time.